Hey, what's up guys? Vinny here. Before we begin, please subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications. And now, enjoy the video. Okay guys, as you may already know, I have told you that I am building another mining rig, and as I showed you before my unboxing of my motherboard and the PCI Express extenders from 1 PCI Express to 8 PCIe, then I thought I also show you my other parts I'm going to use for this build, for this mining rig. And here we begin with the power supply I'm going to use for this mining rig, which is an EVGA Supernova 850 G2. Is one of the most used in the mining rigs over the world, and it's very reliable and very power efficiency PSU. So let me show you the package around before I open it. Here you can see all the specs. Obviously you can pause the video if you want to know more, but it's a basic unboxing. So let's see what's inside. Okay, let's open the package. So, what's this? It's a kind of bag, I think. Yes, we can keep our cables in here, I think. So we have the power cable. It's the EU standard version with 2 pins. This is a 4-pin connector extender from 1 PCIe Express to 4 connectors, and we have a serial cable. We have an adapter, very simple, some kind of latches to make some organization of our cables in the case, if we use a case, but in this case we are not using it. This is the main power, the 24-pin connector. Then we have the CPU connector with 8 pin. I think there will be 2, I don't know, let's see. This is a PCI Express. We have 1, 2 for our graphics cards. Another CPU cable. We have 2 CPU cables with 8-pin connectors. Another serial SATA cable. Another one. And another CPU cable. 3 CPU cables. And a PCI Express cable for the graphics cards. So here you go. Here we have the screws. We have an adapter, maybe to hook up another, I don't know, another PSU or so. There's that about the cables. So let's see the PSU itself. The package is very good, it's very sturdy. So phone, very well packaged. We have the manual installation and finally the PSU itself. Okay, hope you can see, because I know the background is black too, so it's a bit difficult. Sorry for that. For this. So here you can see all the connections this PSU supports. As you can see, the motherboard, the 24-pin, 1 CPU, VGA 1, VGA 2, VGA 3 and VGA 4. So we can hook up to 4 graphics cards with 8-pin connectors, and another CPU power cable too. And then these are all peripherals. Sorry. And that's it. Here you go. Hope you can read this and see the specs. It's kind of heavy. I didn't expect this. It's kind of heavy. Let's go on with the other parts I'm going to use for this build. And here you have the CPU. It's a very simple and very cheap CPU. It's the G1840 from Intel. I bought it for, I don't know, 50 euros. So this is the CPU. There's no need for unboxing of this. It's the CPU itself here and the stock cooling. Then I'm going to use 2 sticks of DDR3 with 2 gigs each. So I will have 4 gigs of memory in total for the mining rigs. For my mining rig, it's not. It does not need more than 4 gigs of RAM. Then obviously we have the risers. Where we are going to connect our graphics cards. So this is a riser version, I don't know if you can see, version 6C. I don't know if you can see it, guys. So it has a 6-pin connector and a power cable adapter, obviously, and it goes to a serial SATA connector. I don't know if you can see this. Let me do it this way. Okay. Then we have the USB cable, which unfortunately are a bit short, but I hope it will do the job. So this goes, one goes here, and the other goes to the PCIe connector that goes to the motherboard. So this part goes to the motherboard, and the graphics card goes right here. So here is the PCIe. Here are the RAM sticks, the CPU, and the PSU. So here you go. As I have already told you, there is the motherboard. I have already shown you. Here the PSU, the CPU, the RAM, and the risers. Now I have, sorry, I forgot about this. I have the SSD also. It's an SSD from SanDisk with 120 gigs, but obviously one with 60 gigs will do just fine. So you can use even the 60 gigs, but I bought this because I wanted more space on my mining rig, but obviously you can use a smaller one to save on the money. So here are all the parts. Now I'm missing only the video cards, and I have already ordered them, and I will show you. I will show them to you when I get them, and I hope it will be very soon. But I don't know. I don't know when they will arrive. But I have already ordered them, and it will be a surprise when you see them. So thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like and share the video as always. So thank you.
Hey guys, thank you very much for watching. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing and turn on post notification so you always know when I post a new video. Also, make sure to like and share the video. If you want to help me and the channel, please consider subscribing with my links in the video description. If you like, you can make a donation in the addresses listed on the video description. Thank you again very much for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.